Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do the slime food challenge. So basically how you do this game or challenge is you have a food of the exact same thing. I actually don't have it right now, but what you're going to do is basically copy it out. So let's say there's a pizza, which we are doing pizza, sneak peek, but you have to basically make it out of slime. But anyways, let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna make is a Starbucks. I'm pretty sure it's the pink drink. So I'm using the Starbucks logo, not sponsored, no promo in here. It's not colored because I don't have a colored printer, but I did print that out. I have a solo cup. Basically just a clear cup that kind of looks like a Starbucks cup. If you has solo on it, but I'm also going to use clear glue, and you would use white glue, but I don't have white glue, so I'll use white paint. So yeah, but I have these like really cute foam cups, so I'm going to use these to make the slime, except the big light pink slime. So what you're going to do first is get your little container. I already did, and I filled it up with glue, and then you're going to get your red paint. Now, I'm using this Crayola paint. Alrighty, so y'all, we're going to get the red Crayola paint. Oh. It's like so... Okay. It's, thick. This thing is thick. It's actually kind of turning out pinkish. Pinky red. Which is a good thing. It's supposed to... Ooh, it's kind of chunky too. Okay, that's good. I know it's actually a really good color. That's the color I wanted it to be. Alright. So then, we're going to get our contact solution. Oh, I didn't tell you guys, at the end we'll be mixing all the food slimes that we made into one giant slime. Anyways, but we're just going to mix that. And then I'm going to get my contact solution. And it's dirty because Yep. Alright. As you see, that is that. I'm just mixing it like that. Mixing. And yes, I'm going to do a 20 subscriber special. I don't know when that's going to be uploaded. I'm trying, if I'm not on schedule next week, which is my fall break, that is because it's fall break and family's coming over, so I do have to spend quality time. Pretty sure they're coming on Wednesday, so I won't be posting a lot. Unless my brother wants to do a collab. Not my brother, what? My uncle wants to do a collab with me. I actually have my brother's channel, my uncle's channel on my homepage. As one of my featured channels. Alright, I'll be back when I'm done activating. So there's a slime. It is still like really sticky, but I'm going to make it kind of overactivated. Even though overactivated slime is the worst slime, I'll have to make it over a little bit more hard because slime. Because it's going to be sitting at the bottom of the container. And the whipped cream that we're going to make out of slime is going to have to be hard as well. Now why? Because whipped cream, it will just like melt off. I'm trying to, I know it's so hard. This is how I need slime apparently. I know, it's like really sticky. I'm gonna add a little bit more, probably baking soda. Just like baking soda makes your slime messy. That will just kind of like activate it. Yeah, this is really sticky. Alright guys, I'll be back when I get this to not stick on me a lot. Alright you guys, so I just made the pink slime and now I don't know if it's a lot of pink slime, but I'm going to just put it on the bottom of the cup. Okay guys, so I did that, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to make enough to fill up to the top, but it'll kind of be difficult because it's a lot to be filled up. There's still some more of that pink slime that I just made, or the reddish, pinkish. It's more like, I think it's the syrup that they have it. But what we're going to do next is get our bigger than a blue. I'm almost finished with it. It's so sad. Okay, but we're gonna pour a lot. This hole is so tiny, so it's a squirt. Whee! Okay, that was a lot. And then we're going to get some of, you guys know, the white paint. There you go. And then we're gonna mix it, and then we can add the red. Alright guys, so this is the slime. This is such a good slime. Sorry for any background noises, but this is a really good slime, you guys. I really like it. Sorry about this table, it's moving. But then, now we need to just put it in here. I'm going to do it like little chunk by little chunk because I'm kind of scared that it'll start mixing. That's why I'm trying to have them at different densities so they don't start mixing. So, come on, go in there, slime. Ugh. There you go. It might not fill all the way up. No joke. Because it's not a lot of slime. It really isn't. Ooh, it's like stuck to me. But let's just put it in here, you guys. Oh my god. Okay, so it doesn't fill all the way up, you guys, but it's close enough that we could still put the whipped cream. But we're going to have to probably make a lot to fill it up the rest of the ways. But this is pretty cool. I'm going to actually get something to kind of mix in a little bit the light pink with the dark pink to make it look more like the drink, because I think if we do that, it will look more like the drink. But anyways, you guys, I will be back once I finish making the whipped cream. Okay, guys, so for the whipped cream, I'm going to make a slime swirl. I'm going to make it like a slime swirl because I think it'll look more like whipped cream if it's like a slime swirl. So we're going to make a slime swirl. I hope that it looks good, because if it doesn't look good, then there would be a problem. I'm going to kind of guide it with my hand a bit. Okay, that's really bad, but doesn't matter. We're just going to get a few spoonfuls, not a lot. A few. And that's not a few, but that's okay. There is the whipped cream slime drink, my bob. Let's get on to the pizza. Alright, you guys, this is the pizza dough. It looks... Alright, so this is the dough. It looks more yellow on camera, but it is like a really good pizza dough kind of color. Anyway, sorry for that loud noise. But then, you know that pink that we had extra? I'm going to use that as sauce. This is a tiny pizza, but it's going to be adorable. So, First, we're going to make a circle for the dough, and then we're going to make the sauce, and then we're gonna place on the sauce, and then we're gonna make the cheese. All right, we made the cheese. I know there's a glare on the pizza. You guys see that better? All right. So then with this little cheese, we're going to get like little shreds, I guess, of cheese, like kind of like sprinkles. I don't have the yellow sprinkles, so we're just gonna make little pieces of cheese on the pizza, little by little, tiny by tiny. Not really, because that one was a big piece right there. But gotta push that down, push that down, push that down, push that down. I'm sorry for any background noises. My father is doing some work in where my studio is, which is in the basement. And the basement isn't finished, so he has his workplace down here. So I'm very sorry about that. So you might hear him. I'm so sorry. I really can't do anything. But anyways, this is the pizza. Alright, you guys. Smack down the pizza, let it bake. And there's the pizza, you guys. Isn't that cool? So, we have the melted one and this one. But, we're going to mix these together right now at this right second. We're going to mix them all together. This is a really cool slime. I really love this pink slime. It was an awesome slime. The sprinkles are making the white slime blue now. So blue sprinkles making the white slime blue. Anyways. Oh, we didn't put the Starbucks label, but that's okay. Oh, there goes that. This is the humongous slime. This is a really big slime. I'm going to keep this. And probably a gallon-sized bag, because it's that big. Isn't this really pretty? It's a really pretty pink color. I don't want to mix it in. Such a really pretty color. It's really hard to handle. Not that it's like hard. I mean, it is kind of hard to play with. But it's just because it's such big amount of slime. So, let's mix the pizza. It looks so weird. Oh my god. That's such a lot of slime. I am dying from mixing this giant slime. But wait, it's still pink? Guess what? I'm going to give away 3 of these slimes. The giveaway is very short. It will be announced later today or tomorrow. It is a short giveaway because I won't be able to have a few days to make the video since I'm having family come over. But I know the winners from our last giveaway might get the slime again. I'm giving away 3 slimes. It will be announced later today. So, you must enter. You will have to, this time you don't have to subscribe to my brother's channel or my uncle's channel, but if you do want to support our family, then go ahead. But all you have to do, you can feel the phone beat. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment that you want this slime. And the people that have been already entered from the last giveaway are still entered. So if you are new, go ahead, do the stuff if you want the slime. And yeah, guys enter this giveaway, it will be announced later today. So, more like in the evening. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Turn that notification bell on so you get notified every time I make a video. And I'll see you guys literally today in my next video with the giveaway. Make sure you enter. Bye!